Hi, my name is Lance and I'm with Arkansas Backroad Adventures. I take apart motorcycle and ATV parts and I put them on eBay. And sometimes I run across some of the craziest stuff, and one of the things I've run across right now, I am disassembling a engine on a 2000 KTM Duke LC4 engine. And I'm trying to get off the flywheel, and I just want to show you what I've run into. On this LC4 engine, it's a 640 KTM Duke. The flywheel, I guess they have a lot of problems with them. I don't think this flywheel is any good, but I really need to get this flywheel off to disassemble rest of the engine so I can sell rest of the parts on eBay. The first thing I have ran into is if you're going to, when you take this nut off, you have to do it clockwise to take it off. That, I put an impact on there and I could not get it break loose, and I really could not find much information on which way this nut went. So that's why I'm making this video, because I want you to know to take this off, it has to go clockwise to take off this nut right here. And then after you get this nut off, you have to have a special puller to take it off with. I found this puller on eBay. I don't know anything about this name brand. I think the price on this was like $18. It looks like it's a Metai one. And the size that you have to have is an M33 by 1.5. That is what will fit over the flywheel to knock it off. It's a M33 by 1.5. Now when you're putting this on, it just goes on standard. It just goes on the on there clockwise to get down the flywheel. All right, we'll see how hard it's going to be to pop this one off with this puller. Just like that. It popped it right off. No problem at all. So if you need one of these pullers to pull off with the KTM Duke, like I say, it is the M33 1.5, and it'll take it right off. If you know anything on these KTM Dukes, if you don't mind, tell me anything about these flywheels. It looks like that there is a problem with these flywheels, because that one right there, it looks like it's just coming apart right there on the inside. I don't think that would be normal, but now I can split the cases and sell the rest of these parts. A lot of these KTM Duke 640 LC4 parts I have found out is discontinued. And one of the things that I did find out, the starter gear. This is the starter casing right here. The starter gear that goes right in here, it is discontinued. It's a 52 tooth gear, and apparently it's really hard to find, because I put it on eBay, the gear, for $100, and I thought it was going to take me a long time to sell it, and the next thing I know, just that same day, that gear is sold out of there. So it must be a pretty important gear on there. So I hope you found out some good information on this. Like I say, I wanted to make this video for the fact of I was looking on YouTube and other places to find out about the flywheel, how it comes off, and I spent watching several videos before I found out that one of the guys said that it goes clockwise to take off that nut, because I hit it a couple of times counterclockwise, and then I hit it one time clockwise, not wanting to tear up the crank on there, and when I hit it clockwise it didn't come off. But after I found out that it for sure goes clockwise, then I done it clockwise and it popped it right off. Thank you for watching my videos. If you'd like to know more, watch other videos. I do a lot of adventure motorcycle riding. I do some dual sport riding. Watch my other videos. Subscribe to my channel and you'll get to see some other rides that we do. That's my Yamaha Tenere 700 right there. This is my Beta 300 two-stroke. I'm gonna be riding quite a bit this year and doing videos on it. And then I got a older 2005 BMW GS 1200 with a boxer motor. So if you're interested in any other videos, please check them out. I appreciate it.